Brent, if you could please discuss the issue of cultural sensitivities where perceptions of sexual harassment could be quite different. So how could we kind of blend that in?
That's a great question. I cannot think if I have had, here in San Diego, we have a big computer programming software engineer field, a lot of first generation Indian Americans. And sometimes I've had a few pieces of litigation out of that community where behavior that the harasser, or in one instance, it's actually the victim, found to be so over the line that we in America, this Western culture, would look at that and go, that is really benign, and it's difficult to bring someone in the office and go, you should not be offended by this. Legally, we use a reasonable person standard, which is in a lot of laws and means approximately nothing. But it is a delicate art for people in the HR field. And so, yes, while someone may have certain cultural sensitivities that make them uniquely victimized by behavior that everyone else would consider to be okay, and thus the company legally would probably prevail in any lawsuit, it doesn't make it any easier for the HR professional with boots on the ground. And employing a full-scale investigation in response to a good faith complaint is your obligation, regardless of whether on the surface you look at it and think that the claim is weak.